Hi, I'm Aurora, the founder of the Patch Dude, same-day drywall repairs. For years, I've had friends and family members telling me how frustrated they are with finding people to do simple drywall repairs. Now let's face it, this is the type of project that many of us don't want to tackle on our own, whether it's because we don't know how, or because it's messy and it's dusty and we simply don't have the time. Now you can call a major drywall company, but most likely they're busy on other projects and will charge you big prices. You can also call your local handyman, but he might be a jack of all trades, but typically a master of none. With that in mind is why we started the Patch Dudes. Call us and the same day we'll agree on the price, come out and repair your drywall and paint it like new, with no mess and no stress. We repair dents, pinholes, small holes, big holes, water damage, and we do stucco removal. And you shouldn't compromise quality for speed. We hire great people, train them, and we treat them right. We make big promises and we keep them. If you're a landlord looking to make repairs quickly for the new tenant, we're the company that can do it in one day, no mess, no stress, and a job so well done, you'll never know we were there.